Please subscribe for more videos. Click the bell icon for updates. Name: Grenada. Official name: State of Grenada. Capital: St. George's. Area: 344 square kilometers. Population: as of 2018, it is 112,207. Language: English. National currency: East Caribbean dollar. Largest city: St. George's. Continent: America. National flag. National emblem. National anthem: Hail Grenada. National bird: the Grenada dove. National flower: Bougainvillea. National animal: the Grenada dove. National sport: cricket. Now try answering these questions. What is the capital of Grenada? Let us see the next question. In which continent Grenada is located? Let us see the next question. What is the currency of Grenada? Let us see the next one. What is the area of Grenada? Let us see the last one. What is the population of Grenada? If any of your answer is wrong, please visit the video again.